Magandang umaga po and happy watching dito sa ating Hello. Masentos, kamusta na yung bigat. And good morning, volleyball fans. You're still watching our Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Tournament, Governor's Cup 2026. And game number 2 is now ready to begin. Santa Barbara comes in an impressive 4-1 record and looking to stay on top of the standings. And pero sa kabilang side, ang ating host team na Calasiao with a 2-3 record. Siguradong ibibigay ang lahat para makuha ang panalo sa harap ng kanilang home crowd. Expect an intense and exciting match. And of course, you're still watching our Ramon V. Guico III Governor's Cup 2026. And this is your courtside reporter, Nash Austria.
Volleyball fans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to Governor Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. This is match number 38, played between your municipality of Santa Barbara and your municipality of Calasiao. The national referee for this match, our first referee, Sir Crisanto de Guzman. And our second referee, Sir John Jordan Macaranas. players, coaches, technical officials. Best of luck and keep the ball flying.
Good morning Pangasinan. Welcome to our second match for this Sunday morning ng Women's Division ng ating Inter-Town Volleyball 2026 dito sa Pangasinan, of course. That is under the leadership of our none other than Governor Ramon Guico III. This second match will be played between Municipality of Santa Barbara and Calasiao. First service belongs to Calasiao. Player number 5 will serve for her team. Live na live po tayo dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex. Setter gives it to the open, and that is a hammer. It was a good start for Team Santa Barbara, courtesy of David, player number 20. Player to serve is Bautista, number 9 of Santa Barbara. Nice serve, and that's outside. Score is 1-1. That's a free point for Calasiao coming from via Santa Barbara. Good first ball. The setter gives it to Zapatero, who's there, and that did not work for Team Calasiao. Ramos, player number 2 of Santa Barbara, will now serve for her team. That is an ace for Santa Barbara. That's courtesy of player number 2, Ramos. The score now is 3-1. Sa ating mga nanonood sa ating FB Live, maraming salamat po. Sa ating mga OFWs who are watching and of course, supporting their teams, their municipalities, and of course, sa mga anak natin or relatives natin na naglalaro dito, maraming salamat po. Now, still serving is our player number 2 for Team Santa Barbara. Binigay sa utility. Kachat. Ramos. Zapatero is dug. That's long for player number 3, Munoz. Another point for Santa Barbara. That makes the score 5-1. And that's a free point for Calasiao. Player number 2 serves it straight to the net. Player 19 is now on deck to serve for Calasiao. The libero receives it. Zapatero down the line. And that's a good hit for her. Now we have Fabito comes in. Player number 20 serves it straight to player number 19 of Calasiao. To number 2. No one covers the ball. That's a point for Team Calasiao. Player number 3 from Calasiao will now serve. And that's straight to the net. 7-3 is our official score. Now Zapatero is at the back to serve for Team Santa Barbara. Play number 10. First ball given to the play number 5, who did a cut shot, who is Dog, and there was a miscommunication between player number 1 and the setter, play number 2 of Team Santa Barbara, who will set that or will touch the second ball. That's a miscommunication. Now, still serving, player number 2. Easily first ball, nag-adjust, and that's long. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Santa Barbara. Now, player number 2 is still on deck to serve for Calasiao. 5 serving 7. Almost score. Nagawa ng paraan. Would that be Doug? No. Zapatero was kind of far doon sa rally na yon, kaya hindi niya nahabol yung bola. And the zone 1. Now, play number 2 will still serve. Would she be able to tie up the score? Yes, she did. That's a service ace for player number 2. Now it's 7-all is our score. 7-all is our score, and napatawag ng timeout ang Santa Barbara dahil naparami ang run ng Team Calasiao. Tignan natin what's going to be the adjustments na gagawin ng ating Team Santa Barbara dahil nakuha na tayong nasa side na ng Calasiao ang momentum this time. So let's see after this timeout kung merong run na ibibigay ng Santa Barbara or would that stay sa Calasiao? So we are back in action here after that time called by Santa Barbara. Player number 2 of Calasiao is still serving. Zapatero receives that. Ramos with one hand. Now it's a chance ball for Calasiao, who breaks the wall. Now, the lead is now on the side of Calasiao, 8 serving 7. Nahihirapan ang Santa Barbara for the first ball, kaya naman hindi makapag-set si Ramos. Now, Fabito to number 9, Zapatero will give a chance ball to Calasiao. Anong gagawin ng setter? Pair number 18 tries to drop and score, pero straight to the net. So that makes the score all 8. So this is the third deadlock for this first set between Calasiao and Santa Barbara. Magkalapit lang na municipality ang dalawang ito. That's a drop. Ramos was ready, the setter of Santa Barbara. Now at the pipe, Zapatero. Hindi gusto ni player number 5, Cruz, ng Calasiao ang set na yon because that was too close to the net. Kaya naman that's an air attack coming from her. Now we have player number 14 of Santa Barbara to serve for her team. Score is 9, serving 8. The lead is back on the side of Santa Barbara. Cruz, deep cross, number 9, would give it to, at the back, Zapatero, but that was short. Now the score is 9-all. That is the 4th deadlock for this set alone. 9-all. Play number 20 will serve. Faulty first ball. Now they will give a chance ball to Calasiao. Play number 2 receives the ball. 18 to the middle. And that is Doug. Zapatero gives to the middle as well. And that is a hammer. That's Fabito. Fabi twists it back now. Who commits an error on the service line, service zone? Now it's 10-all. It's the fifth deadlock for this first set. We have player number 5 on the service zone for Team Calasiao. 10-all. Maganda po ang laban ng dalawang team na ito. However, nagbigay din ng free point si player number 5 to Santa Barbara. Kaya naman, the lead is back to Santa Barbara with 11-10 score. Player number 9 on the service zone. That's a good serve. Player number 19 sets it to Cruz number 3, but she does not like that set. Player number 2 to the middle, and that is in. 12-10 is our score. Lamang na po ang Santa Barbara ulit ng 2 puntos sa ating mga nanonood online. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for supporting our Inter-Town Volleyball 2026. Now we are in action here. Mahaba-habang rally ito. Another dig. Player number 9 plays as a setter. Now the libero gives a chance ball to Calasiao. Setter goes to the middle. Who drops the ball? But she was well read. Now it's a free ball. Ibinigay ulit sa ating open spiker, Zapatero. Pero that is too low for her. What about that? Ramos, another chance for Zapatero, who is dug, but that was too strong for her. Natamaan pa nga ang Calasiao sa kanyang shoulder. That's the libero of Calasiao, and he apologizes quickly to show his sportsmanship. So that's that floor. Okay, there was a violation, which is catch violation. Now the Calasiao team calls for a time. That's the first time out ng ating. The score now is 14-10. Lumalayo na ang Team Santa Barbara. Now, that's the first timeout of Calasiao. For this, tignan natin what's gonna be the plan. Back to the action. Welcome back to our second match of this Sunday morning under the women's category. So we have player number 9 serving for Team Santa Barbara. Who sends that long? So that means the score now is 11-14. It's a free point for Team Calasiao. Player 18, the setter, is now at the back to serve for Team Calasiao. Now, no one is on that zone. Good target for player number 20 for that attack. 14 rather, who targeted zone 1. Ramos, player number 2, the setter, serves the ball. Good dig for player number 9. Now, Zapatero is dug. Player 18 gives it to who is also dug. Player number 3. Another chance for Zapatero. Another dug. Good dig for both teams. Maganda ang palitan ngayon. Long rally alert to the middle. Hindi gusto ang set na yon. Now, that is still covered. No one's taking the third ball. Buti na lang nakuha yon ng ating player number 3, Munoz. Another chance to the middle. And that is good. Good pancake, but it was too close to the net. Yung second touch, kaya yung third touch ng Santa Barbara was not properly crossed. Now we have player number 19 still serving for Team Calasiao, the host municipality. The libero of Santa Barbara takes the first ball. Zapatero will try, but still dig. Munoz, the libero again. Player number 2, the Ramos setter, gives to Zapatero, who breaks the one-man block of Calasiao. The score now is 16-12. Player number 20 will serve for Team Santa Barbara. Good dig for Ramos. That's a good roll. 17 serving 12. On the service zone is player number 20 of Santa Barbara. Good first ball. They open, tries it. Another one and that is a good attack on the side of Santa Barbara, Zapatero. Number 20 is still on the service zone for Team Santa Barbara. No one takes a third touch. Kaya naman it's a chance ball for Santa Barbara. Who is blocked? Sabi ni Fabito, mababa yung bigay sa kanya. That's, hindi niya masyadong nagawa ng paraan yon. But let's see. Substitution on the side of Calasiao. 15 is in. Mandapat. Munoz is out. Player number 3. Okay, according to our first rev, it's four touches. Mandapat still on deck to serve for Calasiao. To the middle, Zapatero places the middle now. What about that? That is too low for Team Calasiao. The score is 19-14. Lamang ng 5 ang ating Team Santa Barbara. Zapatero is now on the service zone to serve for her team. Fabito is dug. It's outside. Timeout is called on the side of Calasiao. That's their second timeout for this set. So that's the last timeout. Dahil lamang na ang Santa Barbara ng 6 na puntos. 20-14 is our official score. We are back in action here after that time. So, tignan natin kung makakahabol ang Calasiao, who is behind at 6 points. 20 serving 14. Zapatero, player number 10, serves the ball. Cruz is blocked. Fabito blocked that. That's a 1-on-1 on the net. Player number 1 got a kill block for her team. It's a bomb set. Okay, it's a back row pero hindi nakaya. Okay, so that's a free point to Team Calasiao. Now, player number 10 will now serve for, but he will be subbed out. Player number 10 will be subbed out, and player number 2 is joining the action. Salonga is in. Katugas is out. Good pancake to the middle. Who is really hammering the balls now? Fabito again. 7 points behind ang Calasiao. But again, it's di pa naman tapos ang 25 points. So kayang-kaya pang humabol. Tingnan natin if they would be able to make a run. Player number 2 receives the ball. 18 gives it to the middle. However, she's dog. Another one for another pancake is good for the Guzman. But that one is wide. Nakadalawang pancake na itong si De Guzman on the side of Calasiao, but it was not a point for their team. Kaya naman the Santa Barbara is enjoying an 8-point lead, 23-15. Now that was a service error on the side of Team Santa Barbara. So Calasiao will now serve for her team, play number 20. Fabito all over the place. To the middle, to the open, to the opposite side. Now, she puts her team on a set point, 24-16. Bautista is blocked. One-on-one on that sequence. De Guzman tallies a kill block for her team. Number 6, the captain serves the ball for Calasiao. It's a chance ball now for Calasiao. Player number 2 receives the ball to the middle, and that's the Guzman dog this time. At the back is Zapatero, who did a pipe, but that was dog. Another one, another chance for Calasiao, who finishes it. Player number 20 finishes the first set is on the side of Team Santa Barbara. 25-17 is our official score. And for the information of everybody na ka-tune in lang sa ating Facebook Live, kanina San Jacinto and Lawak had the first match this Sunday morning at nanalo po ang Team San Jacinto in 3 sets. Congratulations sa ating Team San Jacinto dahil nagkaroon na sila ng 2 wins in this Inter-Town. Nandito na rin ang mga ibang players na susunod mamaya after this match. Kaya kaabang-abang ang linggong ito para sa ating mga valuable fans. At syempre, lalo na yung mga players natin who is always preparing, practicing for their anticipated match. Kaya for those fans there na libre sa linggong ito, you can go and watch live here sa ating venue ngayong weekends dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex. Babalik po tayo mamaya for the second set.
We go to the second set of this match between Calasiao and Santa Barbara.
Okay, so we are back here sa ating set 2 ng match for this Sunday morning between Santa Barbara and Calasiao. First set belongs to Calasiao, who had a 25 score, and 17. That score belongs to Santa Barbara for the first point. Now, we would like to say hi. Shout out po sa ating mga masugid na nanunood. We have Jamela Catugas and Jeffrey Catugas all the way from Canada. Maraming salamat po. Welcome sa ating Inter-Town Volleyball 2026. And that's coming from Tita Weni Catugas. Thank you and good morning. Now, that's 2 points for Team Santa Barbara. 2-0 is our score. Another, it's a chance ball for Calasiao, for Santa Barbara. There was a miscommunication between the two players, player number 18 and player number 6, who will take the first ball. Nag-alangan si player number 18 as a setter, kaya naman medyo hindi naiangat yung first ball. Zapatero serves the ball. It's a monster block for Fabito. So they are enjoying a 4-point lead on this second set for the second match this morning. Ng Linggo, Zapatero, play number 10 on the service zone. Lebero mishandled that. Now we have 5-0 to start the second set. Napatawag ng timeout si coach ng, of course, Calasiao. They would like to talk things over dahil the score is 0-5. Medyo malayo-layo ang habulin nila on this early part of the second set. So maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga OFWs na nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa oras and support na binibigay nyo sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Pangasinan. We are live here at Sports Complex dito sa Calasiao, Pangasinan. There will be a substitution on the side of Calasiao. 15 man dapat is in. The captain of Calasiao, number 6, Macalanda, is out. Santa Barbara serves the ball. Now it's a chance ball for Santa Barbara. To the middle. Who swings? And still good, pero hindi nayangat yung pangatlong touch. 6-0 is our count. Okay, she tried, play number 19, De Guzman, tries to target down the line, the zone 1, pero it was wide for her. Kaya the score is now 7-0. Let's see if makakabawi ngayon ang... Yes, she did for her team. Player number 3 scores a point for her team. Munoz, 1 serving 7 is our score. 18 on the service zone for Team Calasiao will serve. Medyo napalayo ang receive na yon sa first receive. Now player number 2 serves the ball for Team Santa Barbara to the middle, but she is dug. Good dig for the it's a miscalculation on the side of Santa Barbara. It could have been a free ball, pero nanggigil. Let's see. For player number 2 now is back to serve for Santa Barbara. Faulty first ball again. Okay, setter gives 2. Ooh! David did not mind that block. And she breaks that wall. 10-1 is our score. Lamang po ng siyam ang Santa Barbara. It's a faulty reception. Now, 11-1 is the score. Second timeout for Team Calasiao. Dahil lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng Team Santa Barbara, who is up by 10. 11-1 is our count on this second set for the second match between these two municipalities, Calasiao and Santa Barbara. We are back in action here for the second set on our second match on the Sunday morning here. Live na live po tayo sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. To the opposite, who runs and hammers it. Munoz scores a point for her team. So the score is now 2-11. Play number 3 is on the service zone to the middle, but she is blocked. Number 19, de Guzman, had a kill block for her team. Munoz is on the service zone to serve for Calasiao. 3-11 is our score. To the middle again. Who is blocked but covered? Another one. Good dig. Valio. To de Guzman, who is there was a one-hand dig on the side of Calasiao. That's David, and hold also she scores for her team. Napapasigaw na rin yung mga tao dito sa ating venue dahil maganda po ang laban. Kakaroon ng long rallies on this second set. Fabito serves the ball to the open, who is dug by Zapatero. Fabito plays as a setter, pero nasobrahan. Now plays number 5, goes to de Guzman, number 19, who is dug to the middle, who is blocked, and hindi kinaya yung kanilang pangatlong touch. There was a block on the side of Calasiao. Kill block for player number 20. That's Kabukol. De Guzman is now at the back on the service zone to serve for Calasiao. The libero receives the ball for Santa Barbara. And there was a good, so it's a chance now for Calasiao to score. Okay, it's a chance ball again. One-hand dig for de Guzman. Good dig! Pero hindi nahabol yung pangalawang touch na yon. The score now is 5-12. Still 19 on the service zone for Team Calasiao. The libero mishandled that. Medyo malakas yung service na yon. It was mishandled by the libero. Now the Team Santa Barbara calls for a time dahil nakakahabol na ang Team Calasiao. They are now only behind 6. The score is 6-12 for this second set. of the second match between Calasiao and Santa Barbara. We are back in action here sa ating match ng Calasiao at Santa Barbara. So kanina lamang po ng 10 ang Santa Barbara. Ngayon, they are only up by 6. 12-6. De Guzman serves the ball straight to Zapatero. Chance ball for Calasiao, who goes to the middle and scores. The score now is 7-12, ladies and gentlemen. So they are having a mini run. We are talking about Calasiao, who sends that ball long. That's De Guzman. 13 serving 7. Player number 20 of Santa Barbara is on the service zone. Mandapat receives the ball. De Guzman mishandled the second touch. It's a chance ball now for Team Santa Barbara, who goes to Zapatero. But that did not work for her. Player 15 is on the service zone now for Team Calasiao. The score is 8-13. That is that is wide for Team Calasiao. Mandapat sends that wide. 13 serving 8 is our official count. Santa Barbara player number 19 serves the ball. De Guzman first touch. Oops, there was a miscue on the side of Calasiao. Now that is a hammer. That is a courtesy of Zapatero. Player number 10 of Santa Barbara hammers that ball. It's 15 serving 8 for Team Santa Barbara. Good dig. Zapatero tries to do it. Again, pero this time didn't work for her. It's straight to the net. There will be a substitution on the side of Calasiao. Katugas number 10 is Katugas. So the substitution will not push through dahil hindi siya ang dapat palitan ni Katugas. So the captain of Calasiao is now called by our first referee. So the substitution is denied. There will be a yellow card on the side of Calasiao. Player number 20 will serve for Team Calasiao. Back in action. Player 19. Player 3 plays as a setter. 18 to the middle, but that was too close to the net. Back set. Good deflection on the ball on the side of Calasiao for Munoz. Good dig for player number 19. Number 2. And that one is long for Zapatero. Score is now 10-15. 5 points ang hinahabol ng Team Calasiao on our second set. Another chance for Zapatero, who tries to drop the ball, but that hits the antenna. Kaya naman, 4 na lang ang kalamangan ng Santa Barbara. Player number 20 still on the service zone for Team Calasiao. That's a service ace, courtesy of player number 20, Kabukol of Calasiao. Our score is 12-15. 3 points ang hinahabol na lamang ng team Calasiao. Zapatero tries to do it, but de Guzman mishandled that one-hand dig. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan ng team Santa Barbara. 16 serving 12 on the service zone is player number 3. Okay, it was too close to the net, but that did not work for team Calasiao. 5 points ulit ang hinahabol ng team Calasiao. Still on the service zone is player number 3. Libero places a setter, pero was too close to the net. There will be a violation. It's penetration under the net on the side of Calasiao. Substitution will now be on the side of Santa Barbara. 12 in, 19 out Mandapat. Jasmine is joining the action for team Santa Barbara. Player number 3 sends a free point for Calasiao. Player 5 is on the service zone for team Calasiao. Fabio plays as open on that sequence. The lead is back at 6 points for team Santa Barbara. Zapatero is now at the back to serve for team Santa Barbara. Now we have adjusted the net, but that was covered. Play number 2 sends that ball. Chance ball for Calasiao. De Guzman tries it, but that is blocked for Fabito. Lumobo ulit ang kalamangan, and that is already 7 points, 20 serving 13. Zapatero sends that ball wide. So it's a free point now for Calasiao, who is behind 6. 14 serving 20. Binigay sa pipe, but that did not cross the net. So there was a 2-0 run on the side of Calasiao. Valio, the setter, is on the service zone to serve. 19 subbed in. Play number 9 is subbed in for Zapatero. It was a faulty first ball. Chance ball for Calasiao, who goes to, and there was a net touch on the side of Santa Barbara. That's play number 20, who scrapes the net. 3-0 run for Calasiao. Player 18, the setter, still serving on the service zone. Another ace. Official score is 20-17. That 6-point lead is now down to only 3 points, courtesy of this on the service zone. Nivalio of Calasiao having that service ace on that last sequence. So we are now back in action for our second set of that time, called by Team Santa Barbara. Dahil tatlo na lang ang kanilang kalamangan, would they be able to get the momentum on their side, or would that stay sa Calasiao? Let's see the sequence. Fabio swings, and that one is wide. 18-20 is our score. 2 points behind ang Calasiao. So that 6-point lead is now down to 2. Let's see. Another one at the back. Play number 9 sends that long. We are having a run on the side of Calasiao. 19-20 is our official count. But that one, Fabio did not miss that hit now, and she scores for the team. Now 21-19 is our official count. Zapatero is back. Play number 10 and play number 9 is now subbed out. De Guzman. And no one takes the second touch. There was a miscommunication on the side of Calasiao on that sequence between the libero and player number 19, De Guzman. We are now having a substitution on the side of Calasiao. Katugas, number 10, is in for Team Calasiao, and Cruz is heading at the bench to have some rest. That one is in for De Guzman. Calasiao is trailing still 2 points. Tignan natin kung mahahabol nila. So Munoz is now on the service zone for Team Calasiao. 20 serving 22. Short serve. That one is a hammer on the side of Team Santa Barbara for David. 23 serving 20. Fabito is on the service zone, but that ball went straight to the net. This is our second set on this second match, Santa Barbara and Calasiao. Now 21-23 is our official count. De Guzman to serve for Team Calasiao. It's a chance ball for Team Calasiao. To the open. Who is dog? But they try to do it, pero hindi kinaya on that second ball. Zapatero tried to chase the ball. 22-23 is our score. 1 point behind ang Calasiao, our municipality host. 19 is on the service zone. 22-23. No one, but that is a violation on the side of Team Santa Barbara. The down referee said there was a penetration under the net. So the score is 23 all. It's a deadlock. So 2 points for each team. That's the number that they need to end the set. Who would get it? Good dig. Good dig on the libero. De Guzman plays as a setter. Now the setter sends it at a chance ball. Chance ball. Ayaw niya ng ganon. Chance ball for Calasiao, who goes again to Gatugas. Who is dog? And no one is there. And that is outside. Calasiao is now on the verge of getting this second set. 24-23 is our official count. Would he be able to, there you go. Would he be able to finish it? No! Dahil nga naman, that is straight to the net. Now the score is tied at 24. Napakaganda na po ng mga sequence and rallies on the latter part of this second set. Playing between Municipality of Santa Barbara and Calasiao. Number 20 is on the service zone for Team Santa Barbara. To the middle. That one is wide. Match point is now for Team Santa Barbara. Number 20 will serve for Santa Barbara, 25-24. That one is long for Team Santa Barbara. Now, the point is given to Team Calasiao. 25-all is our score. "15 serves the ball. Ayaw niya ng ganon. Now, De Guzman places a setter, and that is Doug. Zapatero scores. Hindi pa. And that's another one. Someone covers the ball. Zapatero will try again, but that one is... Okay, we are waiting for their call, and that one is long. 26-25 is our official count. Set point ang ating Calasiao sa ating second set. Mandapat player number 15 is now serving for Team Calasiao. Would she be able to finish it? Let's see. Another one for Zapatero. Who is Doug? At the back is De Guzman, but she sends that ball. Still good for Team Santa Barbara. Chance ball for Calasiao. She doesn't like it. So what would she do? That one is Doug again. Napaganda po. It's a long rally alert for this. To the middle. Who is Doug? Value to the middle as well. Another one. Long rally. Zapatero will try for the third time. She rolls the ball, but take again far. De Guzman. Setter is Zapatero will try for the fourth time, but that one works for her. 26 all is our official count. Grabe naman yung palitan ng rally na yon. Depensa kung depensa, opensa kung opensa ang nangyari on that last rally. 26 all is our official count. There will be a substitution on the side of Calasiao. Cruz is back in action for number 5. And number 10, Katugas, is now approaching the bench to have some rest. Player number 12, Munoz, will serve for the team Santa Barbara. 26 all. De Guzman receives the first ball, sets 2. And that is inside. Set point for Team Calasiao. 27-26 is our official count. Masyadong malakas na po ang hiyawan dito sa ating venue, Calasiao Sports Complex. That is a misreception. That is a win set for Team Calasiao. 28-26 is our official count. We will have a third set now. Kaya naman, there will be an extended set for this match. Third set is coming our way.
We go to the third and final set of this match between Santa Barbara and the municipality of
We are back in action here on our second match on this Sunday morning, played between Santa Barbara and Calasiao. We are on our third and final set. Yes, tama po yan. This is the deciding set. Nakahabol po ang Calasiao on that second set. The score is 28-26. It's our first three-set match for this Sunday morning. The first score for these two teams, Calasiao was 17 and 25 for the first set. For Santa Barbara, now on the second set, it was 20-26. Nanalo po ang Calasiao on that second set. We are now on our third set. De Guzman did not send that ball in. And now De Guzman is showing some fatigue. We now have play number 9 serving for Team Santa Barbara, 1-0. Two zero is our score now. We now have on the service zone still is our play number 9 from Team Santa Barbara. Another try for Zapatero, who scores this time. From that dig to hit by Zapatero. Walang pagod. Play number 9 still in the service zone for Santa Barbara. To the middle, De Guzman is dogged by one-hand dig. Now that is a score for Team Calasiao. It's 1-3. Player 18 will serve for Team Calasiao. That one was mishandled by player number 15. It's a run and gun. for David of Team Santa Barbara. Player number 2 will now serve for Team Santa Barbara. Munoz will try. Yes! Sir! Nakascore po siya for Team Calasiao. 2 points ang kailangang habulin on this third set ng Team Calasiao. 2 serving 4. That one was misread by Mandapat. She lets that ball go. Kaya naman, the score is on the side of Santa Barbara. 5 serving 2. Pangalawang 3 sets po ito ng ating match. The first set was also 3 sets between Lawak and San Jacinto. Ngayon, Calasiao and Santa Barbara is on their third set. Good dig on De Guzman. And almost scores. It's a chance ball now for Calasiao. Can he bibigay to the middle? Who sends that ball straight to the net? (6-2) is our official score. Player number 20, David, is on the service zone for Team Santa Barbara. De Guzman receives the ball. She will also try to score, and yes, she did. Hindi pinalo ngayon ang bola ng malakas ni De Guzman. Kaya naman nawala ang depensa ng Team Santa Barbara with that drop ball na ibinigay ni De Guzman. Who will serve for Team Calasiao? Player number 19. That one is long though. 7-3 is our official count. Zapatero will now serve for Team Santa Barbara. Player number 10. Good first ball from the libero of Calasiao. Now it's a good hit. It's with the help of the net on the side of Calasiao. Now player number 15 will now serve. The score is 4 serving 7. To the open. Who is Doug? Number 9 tries, all dug by De Guzman. Another try. Now it's wide for her. Apat po ang kalamangan ng Team Santa Barbara. Play number 14 is on the service zone, 8 serving 4. To the middle, who tries to drop the ball, but she is guarded. Another try, almost scores. The libero places a setter. Pinalik ni Fabito. Chance ball for Calasiao this time. Who is blocked? Another one in the middle will try, but that one is long. Now the lead is back to 5 points. 9-5 is our official count. Napataw ng timeout ang Team Calasiao for this third set. First timeout is now used ng coach ng Team Calasiao because they are behind 5. 4-9 is our score. We are back in action here sa ating match between Calasiao and Santa Barbara. Kaya naman, tignan natin kung ano ang mangyayari sa ating pagbabalik dito sa ating third set. First set belongs to Santa Barbara. Second is for Calasiao. Now in our third set, play number 13 will serve for Team Santa Barbara. Chance ball now for Team Santa Barbara, pero that one is a point for Calasiao. 5 serving 9 for Team Calasiao. Player number 20 will serve. There was a joust in the net, but there was a penetration under the net on player number 2. The score is now 6-9. Still player number 220 is on the service zone. Zapatero mishandled that first ball. Now it's chance ball for Team Calasiao, who goes to the middle, and there was a check. Calasiao is now having a 3-0 run. And Santa Barbara calls for the time, who is up by 2. 9-7 is our official count. We are back in action on our third set for the second match. And a Sunday morning dito pa rin sa Calasiao Sports Complex. Fabito swings, but that was too far from the net. Kaya naman that ball goes straight to the net. Score is 8-9. 1 point behind ang Calasiao. Number 20 still in the service zone. Chance ball for Calasiao. Another one for Calasiao. Ayan. De Guzman receives the ball to the open. Who is Doug? Bautista gives it at the pipe to Zapatero. That one is a good dig. There was no coverage on the side of Santa Barbara. Kaya naman, it's a deadlock. 9-all is our score on our second set. First deadlock on this third set. 20 is still on the service zone. Fabito. Now that's Zapatero who returns the ball. Good dig. Zapatero returns the ball. Chance ball now for Santa Barbara. Zapatero takes the first ball to the middle. He goes, and that one is in for Fabito. 1 point lead is back on the side of Santa Barbara. That's courtesy of Fabito. 10 serving 9. It's a service ace for Fabito, player number 1 of Santa Barbara. 11-9 is our official count. Another one, but that is straight to the net. 1 point behind ang Calasiao. 10-11. Now player number 5 of Calasiao is on the service zone. Good save on the side of Santa Barbara, courtesy of player number 9. Players on the floor on the side of bodies on the floor rather. Pero walang humabol doon sa second touch na yon. That's 11 all is our score. Second deadlock. Player number 5 sends that ball long. So that means Santa Barbara takes the lead. 12-11. Player number 9 serves for Team Santa Barbara. De Guzman will try to score for the team, and yes, she did. $12 points. third deadlock, 12 points for each team. There was a rotational error on the side of Calasiao. Accor- According to our official, it should be the player number 18 to serve for Team Calasiao. Now okay, so according to our officials, number 5 just served the ball for the team. Now it should be player number 18 to serve for the team, the setter. So the coach of Calasiao talks to our second referee. Okay, it's a point for team Santa Barbara. 13-12 is our official count. We're back in action here in our third set. Masyado pong tight ang score, 13-12. Munoz sends a ball, chance ball for Santa Barbara. Zapatero tries, but that goes straight to the net. There will be a substitution on the side of Calasiao. Salonga is in, player number 2, and number 3, Munoz is out. All is our official count. Zapatero scores a point for the team. Now the team is now having a 1-point lead. Talking about Santa Barbara, 14-13. De Guzman is dug. Zapatero will try, but also dug by the libero of Calasiao. De Guzman another try, but that one is long for Team Calasiao. According to first referee, there was no check. Now 2 points behind ang Calasiao. 15 serving 13. Player number 20 is on the service zone. De Guzman will try again, but she is denied by Fabito. Three points ang kalamangan ng team Santa Barbara. 16-13. Okay, player number 9, good dig. That was too close to the net, but that one is still a good point for team Santa Barbara. Now Calasiao is behind 4 points. 17-13 is our score. Napataw ng timeout ang coach ng Calasiao dahil 4 na ulit ang kalamangan ng kanilang kalaro, ang team Santa Barbara. We are back in action here sa ating third set. After that time called by Team Calasiao, the score is at 17-13. Player number 20 is on the service zone still for Santa Barbara. That ball was sent straight to the net. 3 point for Team Calasiao, 14-17. 19 at De Guzman is serving for Calasiao. That is a good placement for Fabito, who plays as an open on that sequence, whose position is a middle spiker. Now Zapatero is on the service zone for Team Santa Barbara, enjoying 4-point lead, 18-14. A chance ball, pero that one is a point for Calasiao. Catugas will now serve for Team Calasiao, player number 10, who gets an ace. (16-18) is our official count. Sa ating mga masugid na manonood sa ating FB Live, this is our third set. That is a score for Team who will get the score. Okay, so according to our first or the up referee, it's the ball who touches the net. Kaya naman the score belongs to Santa Barbara, 19 serving 16. Player number 14 serves the ball for Team Santa Barbara. Calasiao will try to score, but she breaks that one man block of Fabito. Substitution. Number 2 is now going to the bench, and Munoz, number 3, is now back in action. Number 20 will now serve for Team Calasiao, who is 2-point behind. Good anticipation on the side of Calasiao, the setter Valio, who gets the drop ball. Now that is a slice for Fabito. 20-17 is our official count. Fabito, player number 1, will now serve for Team Santa Barbara, who is up by 3. So the open who rolls the ball, who scores a point for Calasiao. Cruz is on the service zone for Calasiao, player number 5, 18-20. Dikit na dikit pa rin ang score on our third and final set for this match. That is an ace. 1 point behind ang ating team from Calasiao. Our team from Santa Barbara will now have a substitution. 14 is out and 19 is in. The captain is back in action for Team Santa Barbara, who, okay, David sends a ball straight to the net. Kaya naman the score is now tied at 20. It's our 4th deadlock of this set. 20 all is our official count. Santa Barbara calls for a time. (20-20). We are back in action here for our third set after the time called by Santa Barbara, whose lead is erased. Player number 5 is now serving for Team Calasiao. Cruz, who gets an ace. 21-20 is our official count. The lead is now on the side of Calasiao. Munoz will try, but that one is out. For that, that's blockers out. 21 all is our score. Naka-score doon si number 20, David, for Team Santa Barbara. 21 all is our score. That's our fifth deadlock for this set. Twenty-two, 21 is our official count. The lead is back on the side of Team Santa Barbara. Player number 9 is now serving. Who will? Okay, it's a chance ball for Calasiao. They give it to the middle. One-hand dig. De Guzman tries for Zapatero. Who breaks the wall? Two-point lead is now on the side of Santa Barbara. Official count is 23-21. Still on the service zone is player number 9. A service ace is given to Bautista, player number 9 of Team Santa Barbara, who is at match point, 24-21. It's a chance ball on the side of Santa Barbara, who had a 1-2 play, and that is a score that finishes that third set. Winner is Santa Barbara. Congratulations to Team Santa Barbara, who just had another win for the team. So our score is 25-21. Hello. Our best player or of this match is Zapatero, player number 10 of Santa Barbara.
Laban lang, ate. It's okay. Good morning, mga sponsors. You are watching the Governor Ramon V Guico III Volleyball Tournament, where the best teams continue to battle it out for every point and every victory. Masantosya Kamusan, Naimbaga Bigat. Good morning, volleyball fans. You are watching the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Tournament 2026, where the best teams continue to battle it out for every point and every victory. So here with me, our player of the game, of course, Christine Joy Zapatero, and with the head coach of Santa Barbara. And first of all, congratulations po for the 3 sets win po ng Santa Barbara. And you're now 4-1, top 5-1 in the standing. And first of all, sa ating POG, congratulations. You were named our player of the game. Ano sa tingin mo ang naging susi sa panalo ninyo, especially matapos ninyong kunin yung first and final set?
Ano lang po, tiwala sa sarili and mag-adjust po siguro sa game.
And a follow-up question lang, Christine. Ano ang gusto mong i-improve pa sa mga susunod nyong laro para at least makakuha pa kayo ng panalo dito sa ating elimination round?
Siguro po ang mas kailangan po namin i-improve is yung sa receiving po namin and sa connection po sa loob po ng court.
Thank you so much. And dito naman tayo sa ating head coach ng Santa Barbara. Coach, once again, congratulations po. And Coach, I would like to ask lang po, your team showed composure from start to the finish of the game, especially in the first and third set. Ano po ang game plan nyo today? But sa tingin nyo, nakuha nyo yung panalo?
First and foremost, it was a good fight between Calasiao. So it's our first time na three sets kami ngayon. So thank you and congratulations din sa Team Calasiao dahil nagbigay sila ng magandang laro. Ayan, kinabahan ako kanina sobra. Kasi doon sa second set, 6 na ang lamang namin. Pero nakita din yung depensa at momentum ng Calasiao. Kaya nakuha nila yung second set. Pero sinabi ko sa mga players ko na sige lang, ilaban lang dahil babawi kami sa third set.
And follow-up question po, Coach. Sa tingin nyo po ng second set, you were up by 10 points, right? Sa tingin nyo, ano po yung nag-lock nung second set kaya po nakuha ng Calasiao ang second set?
Siguro yung first ball namin, ayan, wala kaming first ball receive, kaya nawalan din kami ng spiking. Pero overall naman, naging masaya ako sa performance ng aking mga players.
Thank you so much. And of course, I will give you this opportunity para siyempre pasalamatan ng inyong mga supporters, LGU, at mga gusto nyong i-shoutout. Dito po muna tayo sa ating player of the game, Christine.
Shout out po kay Mayor Carlito Saplan, Vice Mayor Bobby Barberan, and of course po kay Councilor Noy Saplan and Sir Jojo Barberan po. And hi po sa LGU Santa Barbara, especially accounting family. And ano po, happy birthday po kay mother ko. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much. And of course, ang ating head coach from Santa Barbara, Coach. Anyone you want to thank, LGU, your family, and of course, your supporters?
Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball 2026. Salamat sa lahat ng supporters ng Team Santa Barbara, Mayor Saplan, Vice Mayor Barberan. Ayan, maraming salamat. Councilor Noy, maraming salamat sa pamakdo. Executive Assistant 4, Mr. Jojo Barberan, salamat po sa pagbisita. At sa lahat ng mga naniniwala sa Santa Barbara, maraming salamat po. Mayor's Office, LGU Santa Barbara.
And there you have it, our player of the game, Christine Joy Zapatero, together with her head coach. And that's a wrap for the second match. And congratulations once again, Santa Barbara, for another impressive victory. And sa ating viewers online, tumutok lang po kayo sa ating live action. Later on, masasaksihan po natin ang bakbakan ng Orbis Tondo laban po sa bayan ng Sampapian. So once again, keep watching our live. This is Ramon V. Guico III Volleyball Tournament 2026.